because the world is continuously changing, we also need to continuously adapt in how we protect you. Innovation is about creating value, and in order to create value, you all need to understand what that value is. And with Miro, we're able to create a common understanding of what we're trying to achieve in terms of creating value. Miro allows us to better visualize and better explain to each other what we are thinking, what our perspective is, and communicate this across the organization, across different clients, across different people. In the end, it's all about creating alignment.